The dangers of anger in America. Anger is a powerful emotion that can significantly impact individuals and society. In America, the manifestation of anger, especially when unchecked and pervasive, can lead to a range of dangerous outcomes. In this video, we'll discuss various dangers associated with anger in America, examining the psychological, social, and economic implications, as well as the broader impact on public safety and community well-being. Anger, when chronic and unmanaged, can have severe psychological and health repercussions. Research indicates that prolonged anger can lead to increased stress levels, which in turn can cause cardiovascular problems, including hypertension and heart disease. According to the American Psychological Association, anger can trigger the body's fight-or-flight response, leading to a spike in adrenaline and cortisol, which over time can damage various bodily systems. Moreover, individuals who frequently experience intense anger are at a higher risk of developing mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. The cyclical nature of anger and mental health problems can create a vicious cycle where anger exacerbates mental health issues, and these issues in turn increase the likelihood of anger outbursts. Angry individuals often struggle with maintaining healthy relationships, whether with family, friends, or colleagues. Anger can lead to aggressive behavior, verbal outbursts, and even physical violence, which can damage relationships and erode trust. This can result in social isolation, as people tend to distance themselves from individuals who display frequent or intense anger. In the workplace, anger can undermine professional relationships and create a toxic environment. Employees who are unable to manage their anger may face disciplinary actions, and their behavior can lower overall morale and productivity. According to a study published in the journal Human Relations, workplace anger can lead to higher turnover rates, increased absenteeism, and reduced job satisfaction among employees. Economic impact. The economic impact of anger is also significant. On an individual level, people who cannot control their anger may face job loss, legal issues, and financial instability. For instance, road rage incidents can lead to accidents, resulting in medical bills, legal fees, and increased insurance premiums. The American Automobile Association estimates that aggressive driving behaviors, including road rage, contribute to a substantial number of car accidents each year. On a broader scale, anger-related violence and crime impose a considerable financial burden on society. The costs associated with healthcare for victims, legal proceedings, incarceration, and law enforcement efforts are substantial. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that the economic cost of violence in the U.S., which includes medical care and lost productivity, amounts to billions of dollars annually. Anger, particularly when it escalates into violence, poses a significant threat to public safety and community well-being. In the United States, incidents of mass shootings, domestic violence, and hate crimes are often fueled by uncontrolled anger. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, notes that a significant portion of hate crimes are driven by anger and hostility towards specific groups, leading to devastating consequences for communities. Domestic violence, another critical issue, is often rooted in anger and control. The National Coalition Against Domestic Violence, NCADV, reports that 1 in 4 women and 1 in 9 men experience severe intimate partner physical violence, which can lead to long-term psychological trauma and physical injuries. The presence of anger in domestic settings not only affects the victims but also has detrimental effects on children who witness such violence, potentially perpetuating a cycle of anger and aggression. Mass shootings, a tragic and increasingly common occurrence in America, are often linked to unresolved anger and feelings of alienation. Studies have shown that many perpetrators of mass shootings have a history of anger issues and have expressed feelings of rage and resentment prior to their actions. The impact of such incidents on public safety is profound, instilling fear and anxiety in communities and highlighting the urgent need for better anger management and mental health support systems. Addressing the issue. Addressing the dangers of anger in America requires a multifaceted approach. Education and awareness programs that teach emotional regulation and anger management skills can be effective in helping individuals cope with their emotions in healthy ways. Schools, workplaces, and community organizations can play a vital role in providing resources and support for anger management. Mental health services must be accessible and affordable to ensure that individuals struggling with anger issues receive the help they need. Counseling, therapy, and support groups can offer valuable assistance in managing anger and addressing underlying issues such as trauma or mental health disorders. Additionally, policies that promote social equity and address systemic issues contributing to anger and frustration, such as economic disparity and social injustice, are crucial. Creating a more inclusive and fair society can help reduce the triggers of anger and create a more harmonious community. Conclusion. The dangers of angry people in America are far-reaching, affecting individuals' mental and physical health, social relationships, economic stability, and public safety. Addressing this issue requires a comprehensive approach that includes education, mental health support, and policies aimed at reducing systemic triggers of anger. By fostering a society that prioritizes emotional well-being and provides support for those struggling with anger, we can mitigate the dangers associated with this powerful emotion and create a safer, more compassionate America. Thanks for watching.